welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm LYDIA STANLEY, openly called Mrs. M, and if you're not new, thank you so much, so much butterfly for coming back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you this beautiful hair from SVT Hair. This hair is so pretty, so easy to install. I mean, look at how easy, like, I didn't tint my lace, I didn't do anything to this hair. You already know I'm about the beginner friendly easy install, okay? I just used got to be glue and that was it, and this hair is laid. The lace is amazing, the texture of the hair is extra, like it's high up there with my like soft hairs that I have tried. Like this hair is so soft. I know those kind of hairs that like I'm trying to not make it bigger than this, but if I wanted it to be bigger, I just need to go through with a comb and just comb it, and it just keep getting bigger and bigger and bigger. I don't know how many density this hair is, but I'm going to leave all the links in the description in case you want to try it out, because I honestly recommend this. Like, it is worth it. It's so much worth it, and it's from SVT Hair if I haven't mentioned already. Without further much talking, please give me a thumbs up. I made this video like a lot more, I talked a lot more in this one, so let me know if I should make that a thing with my regular sit down videos. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and let's get into the video. Okay, hi my loves, welcome to a new vlog, welcome to a new hair vlog. Today's hair video is from SVT Hair, and this is what the back looks like. I'm going to do a quick unboxing.
As feminine, more than the essence of femininity. Femininity is not just a costume you put on, it's not an act. If you're acting in a feminine manner just for these social advantages, you're actually disconnected from your feminine essence. The desire to be feminine is then coming from an extrinsic place instead of an intrinsic place. And that is why I'm making these videos, because there's been an attack on womanhood lately, and women have been discouraged from embracing our femininity for decades, which has left so many of us lost, disconnected from our feminine nature, and miserable. And often when women finally realize they want to reconnect with their femininity, they overthink it and worry too much about being perceived as feminine instead of truly reconnecting with their innate feminine essence. And that can result in women making poor choices that compromise their safety, or they think they can't be ambitious or assertive with their boundaries just so that they're transiently perceived as feminine in that situation. But being gentle does not mean being unopinionated. Empathy does not equate to slavish servility, and sensitivity does not equate to emotional instability. They can mean those things, but virtuous, healthy femininity does not include any of the latter. And a wonderful thing about...
Yeah, those are the items that come inside the bag and the wig as well. So I have the wig here, and we need to name this mannequin at this point, because she's really guiding me through my wig processes. I feel like I'm slowly getting better with wigs. It is so soft and so beautiful and so luscious. So this is what I'll be installing today. If you like to see how I come up with, or what I come up with, please keep on watching. If you end up enjoying the hair video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I want to make this like a more figure this out with me kind of video, you know. So I don't know how long this setup is going to be here for, but I hope to make the best I can of it. Moving on to the hair, I'm having my morning tea. And I'm wearing very special. I feel like I need to go for speech classes. I don't know if there's anything like that, but like I feel like I need to go to something that will make me speak, because I'm mixing up my C's, my CH's. It's not even funny. But I'm wearing special jewelry today. This is the ring my husband proposed to me with, like the very first one before all the upgrades, and I missed it today, so I just went to wear it. And this earring, the last time I wore it was on our introduction. So yeah, I've got ahead to use hot comb. I'm still nursing a cold. That's why there's like ginger, honey, cinnamon, lemon, green tea. I'm using this thing. It's like everything that sticks down my foresty here. Because when you want to have a nice install, you don't want to be using, you don't want your hair to be a lot in the front. Especially if your hair grows out like mine. They sent me wig cap. So I guess I'll just do it. There's this brown one I really like it, and like I reused it and reused it, but I guess I don't know. I kept it somewhere and I can't find it now. So these ones are usually lighter than, no, they don't match me. I'm a brown girl. With my wig caps, I just like to use it to hold my hair in place, and that's just about it. To use this Huda Beauty Tanto. Let's name her in the comments, because she's a huge part of my wig laying success. I have the other regular canvas blockhead, but it wasn't my size. The wig head is big. I think I bought a 23 or so, I don't know. If you want your wig to look really good, you have to learn how to prep your wigs. Like, it's not a lot. Invest in a good hot comb. And that's just about it. I hope I divided this thing well because I was so upset. It doesn't seem equal. What I'm just going to do is to cut off the excess lace. I like to do that off my head because sometimes I don't be seeing the hairline well when I put it on my head. So, and this hair is a lot. Just have to be careful. It actually cuts the wig. I personally feel like installing used wigs is easier than installing a new wig. There's just so much things you have to do to ensure that it's perfect, you know? So that kind of just takes away from the whole experience of laying. This hair is beautiful. Right off the bat, it's very beautiful. Okay, I didn't do such a bad job of centering it, I think. I never used to be this person that cared about central lines, so that's just something about practice. Like, your brain doesn't have any choice but to get better on what you keep teaching it and showing it. It doesn't have any choice. I'm using my hot comb to just look it flat. I don't want to add any more wax because it seems like I already added so much. That's why it's very shiny. The hair is very good to go on this one without any gluing down. It looks very pretty. I'm not even going to glue it down. I'm just going to use my got to be glue here. I already know the jazz, so I'll do that and I'll be right back. Do you give me sugar? Wala, la. My Mona Lisa, take my chance with you. Girl, I'd rather go find somewhere quiet. It's so beautiful that once you're just putting your hand through it, it gets even bigger and bigger and bigger. So I don't want to get it to its biggest capacity yet. That's why I'm not like really going through it with like a comb or everything, because it will get so big. I'm trying to just get our edges. At this point, you should go in with a blow dryer. But mine is not close by. I'm not about to be stressed out. Maybe I might stand up and get one shot just to speed things up. Did you come around here just to satisfy? Drop dead. I'm just standing there if I take you back. Take your love and tell myself that you know my head. I'll take your love and tell myself it's one look and I drop dead. No, I need it. I'm so addicted. So this is what the hair looks like. It's very big. Like I don't even want to make it so much bigger, and it comes like below my brow point, I guess. And it is so soft. I don't think I can emphasize enough how soft this hair is, honestly. But this time I will use mousse instead of wax, just so that it's not so oily up top or shiny. Like this hair is so full. That's just what I've been saying. The wig cap is big and the hair is so full. Like you have a lot of hair. I think it's like almost, I don't know if it's 200% density, but it's so full and it's not heavy. It's very lightweight as well. Thinking if I want to add conditioner to make the hair smaller, because conditioner will make the hair definitely lay down and become like very obedient. I think I like this vavavoomness going on, but I don't know yet. I use this olive oil leave-in conditioner spray just to get the hair damp a bit. The curls in this hair are so beautiful, like, but I'm not going to get it super wet. I'm going to take this white tooth comb and just comb through. Down to the tip, so don't neglect the tip. I don't want to make this super wet, but if you want that like water wave look, you can make it super like wet and like drench it in water. This hair is so soft, like I can't stop thinking to myself how soft it is.
Select few people is wise, not closed off. Vulnerability is not inherently appropriate. It depends on the situation. It's okay to speak the truth without speaking all of it. Tasteful vulnerability is the foundation of authenticity, since oversharing can actually make you seem fake and maybe like you're trying to manipulate others with how radically open you're presenting yourself.
This is what the hair is looking like. It's going to dry up while I do my makeup. I didn't make it too wet, so yeah, it's going to dry up while I do my makeup. I'm ready to do my makeup. I'll be right back, okay? So this is what the look looks like, all completed. Everything looks so beautiful. I love my makeup. I love my hair. This hair is so pretty. I love the hair so much. So freaking much. It was so amazing to install. And I look so pretty with this hair, if I do say so myself. Let me know down below. Comment right now. Leave me a comment telling me what was your favorite part of this install, and do I make installs more like this, like showing you my actual process from start to finish, or do I just do it how I normally would do it in the past? I really enjoyed filming for you. Check out SVT Hair. This hair is so bomb. Like, the hair kept on, like, if I want this hair to be even ×2 bigger than this, I just need to comb it and it's become very big. Like, it was like the hair was multiplying in some way that I'm not sure of. So check out SVT Hair. I'm going to leave all their links down below. Please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'm going to see you in my next video, okay? Bye, butterfly. Mwah.